Space is vast, filled with swirling galaxies, each a majestic island of stars, gas, and dust. Our home, the Milky Way, is one such galaxy, a grand spiral of over 200 billion stars. But we are not alone in the cosmic neighborhood. Just next door, a mere 2.5 million light-years away, lies Andromeda, another spiral galaxy even larger than our own. These two cosmic giants are on a collision course, destined to meet in a spectacular display of celestial fireworks. The scale of this event is almost impossible to comprehend. Imagine two swirling clouds of fireflies, each firefly a star, separated by a vast, dark void. As they draw closer, their gravitational pull intensifies, slowly distorting their elegant spiral shapes. Stars, once comfortably nestled in their galactic homes, begin to feel the tug of this cosmic dance. This is not a sudden crash, but a slow, graceful waltz that will unfold over billions of years. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a testament to the immense power of gravity, the invisible force that shapes the cosmos. Gravity orchestrates the movements of planets around stars, stars around galaxies, and galaxies within clusters. It is the master sculptor of the universe, shaping cosmic structures over eons. And in this grand cosmic ballet, the Milky Way and Andromeda are poised for a breathtaking pas de deux. Galactic collisions are not uncommon in the universe. Throughout cosmic history, galaxies have interacted and merged, shaping the distribution of stars and gas we observe today. These events are not the catastrophic crashes we might imagine, but rather drawn-out processes of gravitational interaction. Stars, despite their immense size, are incredibly far apart, making head-on collisions between individual stars extremely rare. Instead, as galaxies approach, their gravitational fields intertwine. Stars begin to shift in their orbits, pulled and tugged by the combined gravitational force of both galaxies. Vast clouds of gas and dust, the raw materials for star formation, are compressed and heated, triggering bursts of new starbirth. The galaxies, once distinct islands, begin to lose their individual identities, their stars and gas swirling together in a cosmic melting pot. These interactions leave behind telltale signs, allowing astronomers to study past collisions and understand their impact on galactic evolution. Distorted spiral arms, trails of stars and gas stretching between galaxies, and bursts of star formation all point to the powerful forces at play during these cosmic encounters. By studying these galactic mergers, we gain insights into the history of our own Milky Way, piecing together its evolution over billions of years. Section 3. A glimpse into our cosmic future. The future collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda offers a glimpse into the distant future of our own galaxy. As these two giants merge, the night sky will transform. New stars will ignite, painting the darkness with brilliant hues. The familiar constellations, those celestial landmarks that have guided humanity for millennia, will be rearranged, their patterns forever altered. The Milky Way, as we know it, will cease to exist. In its place will be a new, larger galaxy, often dubbed Milkomeda. This new galaxy will be elliptical in shape, losing the graceful spiral arms that characterize both the Milky Way and Andromeda. The supermassive black holes at the centers of each galaxy will also spiral towards each other, eventually merging into a single, even more massive black hole, warping the fabric of space-time at the heart of the new galaxy. This cosmic dance is not a harbinger of destruction, but rather a creative force. The merging of galaxies fuels new star formation, enriching the universe with the building blocks of planets and potentially life. While the familiar patterns of our night sky will change, the universe will continue to evolve, driven by the relentless forces of gravity and the endless cycle of cosmic creation. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a reminder of the vastness and dynamism of the universe. It echoes the processes that have shaped our cosmic home since the Big Bang, the primordial explosion that birthed space and time. From the swirling chaos of the early universe, gravity sculpted galaxies, stars, and planets, setting the stage for the emergence of life on Earth. We are, in a very real sense, children of the cosmos, our very existence intertwined with the grand cosmic ballet that has unfolded over billions of years. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars, scattered across the cosmos by supernova explosions, and eventually incorporated into the swirling cloud of gas and dust that gave birth to our solar system. The fate of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a reminder that the universe is not static, but in constant flux, driven by the interplay of fundamental forces. Just as our own lives are marked by change and transformation, so too is the cosmos, a tapestry of ongoing creation, evolution, and renewal. The collision of these two giants is but one chapter in a cosmic story that spans billions of years and will continue to unfold long after our own species is gone. As we contemplate the future collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda, we are struck by a sense of awe and wonder. The immensity of the universe, the intricate dance of galaxies, and the relentless march of time fill us with a humbling perspective on our own place in the cosmos. We are but tiny specks of consciousness on a small planet orbiting an ordinary star in a vast galaxy. Yet, despite our insignificance in the grand scheme of things, we are capable of comprehending these cosmic events. Through the power of science, we can observe, measure, and understand the forces that shape the universe. We can trace the history of our galaxy, predict its future, and marvel at the intricate web of connections that bind us to the cosmos. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a reminder that the universe is a place of constant change and unimaginable beauty. It invites us to explore, to question, and to marvel at the mysteries that lie beyond our world. So, look up at the night sky, find the faint smudge of Andromeda, and contemplate the grand cosmic dance that awaits. What will the universe look like billions of years from now? What role will our descendants play in this ever-evolving cosmic story? The future of the universe, like the universe itself, is filled with endless possibilities.